Hello students, so we are going to continue with exercise part. So the fourth problem is prove that the function f of x is equal to x to the power n is continuous at x is equal to n, where n is a positive integer. So as usual, as you have done your previous problems, in the same way, here they have given you the point at n they have given, yes, where n is a positive integer they have said. So we will see the solution. Given f of x is equal to x to the power n, where n is a positive integer, which they have given, we have written it. So to see the continuous, what we do, first we apply limit, and then at this point, here point what they have given n, we will check whether both are equal, means then we tell it is continuous, right? So first what we do, limit f of x as x tends to n. Limit, what is our f of x? It is x raised to n. So x raised to n as x tends to n. So in place of x, what I substitute? N. So it will be what? N raised to n. And at that point, and f of n. In place of x, I will put n. X is replaced by n in your main function. F of n is equal to n raised to n. So f of n and limit I am getting the same. Therefore, limit f of x as x tends to n is equal to f of n. Hence, f is continuous at x is equal to n, where n is a positive integer. Then is your fifth problem. See the question, is the function f defined by f of x is equal to x if x is less than equal to 1, 5 if x is greater than 1, continuous at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 2. So here we have given what? Branched question they have given. They have given us what? Branched question. So see, let me tell you, whenever in branched question is there, your less than or equal to, apply the limit directly as we have done for previously how we have done, we apply the limit and we find at that point, right, to check whether it is continuous or no. So in your branched also, whenever you have like this, if it is less than, greater than, for less than and greater than, just apply directly. For your equal to, see here in this question they have said x less than equal to 1. So first for less than, greater than, equal to, right? 3 cases are there we have to solve here. When it is equal to, during equal to only you find LHL, RHL, just this much. In your branched functions, whenever branched question they are giving, when for less than, case 1 less than, directly as your previous and only limit and at that point find out. For your greater than also same way, only limit and at that point. But for equal to, you have to take LHL and RHL. So let us see the solution. Here they have asked us continuous at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 2. So at this each point we have to check this whether they are continuous or no. So first we will see at x is equal to 0. So solution 1 for what? At x is equal to 0. So at x is equal to 0, okay. Our f of x is what? X, which they have given, f of x is x. So applying limit f of x as x tends to what they have said 0 is equal to limit f of x is what? X as x tends to 0. In place of x, if I substitute 0, what it becomes? 0, right? At x is equal to 0, in this question which you have to take means, here you see this they have said x greater than 1. Greater than 1, whatever the terms they are asking in this, we have to take this function. Equal to 0, less than means we have to take this function. So for at equal to 0, I have taken as x. Limit we saw, and at this point, at f of 0, what we will get? In place of x, I am replacing x by 0. So f of 0 is equal to 0. So my limit and at this point, both are equal. So limit f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0. Hence, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Your second point is what? At x is equal to 1. As I have said you, when equal to sign, whatever it will be, equal to when you are checking for in this branched question, go for LHL and RHL. Okay. So at equal to 1, First we'll go for LHL, that is limit f of x as x tends to, LHL means what? Negative side, right? All in your number line negative side. So superscript will be what? Minus. As x tends to 1 minus. Why 1? Because we are checking it for 1. So limit, what is our f of x? X tends to 1. Whenever you do, when you are substituting x value, it will be simple as x tends to 1. So in place of x, when you are substituting 1, it will be 1. Now it is, we are checking for RHL is equal to limit f of x as x tends to 1 plus y. This means what? We are checking for the RHL is equal to limit, what is my f of x? 1 plus means what? RHL means positive side, right? Positive means what? Greater than. So 1 plus, which means x is greater than 1. Here x is greater than 1, f of x is what? 5. So my f of x will be 5. Here you have to be very careful when you are taking LHL and your RHL. LHL will be all negative side, which means less than. RHL will be all positive side, which is greater than. So when you are substituting your f of x value, you have to be very careful. So f of x is what? 5. So substituting x is equal to 1. Here x do we have? We don't have here x. So it remains as 5 itself. Here you can see your LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1. So third one they have said at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2 means what? F of x is greater than 1, right? X is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1, right? So our f of x will be what? F of x is equal to 5. So f of x is equal to 5 is a constant function, and every constant function is continuous. I have given you the theorem, right? So this is f of x is 5. Here we don't have anything x, so we can't put limit or checking at that point. It doesn't make any difference. So directly I am writing here f of x equal to 5 is a constant function, and every constant function is continuous. Therefore f is continuous at x is equal to 2. This is your theorem. If you have like this constant function, you have a polynomial, directly you can write, because we have proved the theorem. Understood? Here they have given us 3 cases. So for 3 cases also we have checked. We have got for x is equal to 0 continuous, and at x is equal to 2 continuous. At x is equal to 1 it is not continuous. Whenever you are solving the branched questions, be careful. Okay, here they had given you the points, you did it. Now we'll go to the next problems. Find all the points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by. So they are asking the point of discontinuity, like where it is not continuous, in the same way as you have done the previous one. So first question they have given, sixth one, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x is less than equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. So whenever you have branched question, you will be having automatically 3 cases, right? For one, less than, greater than and equal to. So as I have said you, less than if you are taking, directly apply limit and at that point. For greater than also, directly apply limit and at that point. But for equal to, only when you take x is equal to 2, that time you have to check LHL and RHL. Be careful. So first case, here I am taking the point as when c less than 2. So case 1, case 2, case 3 we are doing. We don't have your particular point, they have not given. So we are taking it as a c. Cases when nothing is given, just take it as a c. Okay. So first solution, when c is less than 2. Yes, because first we will go for line wise will go. First c is less than, then equal to, then greater than. Yes. So it will become 3 cases. So first case will be when c is less than 2. Whenever you have such question, take it as c itself. When c is less than 2, our f of x, when it is less than 2, f of x is what? 2x plus 3. Here f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is a polynomial function. Is it? It is a polynomial function, right? And we have proved the theorem. So I am not doing here applying limit or at a point, because we know it is a polynomial and we know the theorem. So directly I am stating it is a polynomial function. Since every polynomial function is continuous, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is continuous for all c less than 2. Case 2, when c is equal to 2. So whenever it is equal, you have to go for LHL and RHL. I have said you. So LHL means what? Left hand side, and our superscript will be minus. So limit f of x as x tends to 2 minus. So is equal to limit, our f of x is 2 minus means less than, right? So less than is f of x is what? 2x plus 3. So limit f of x is what? 2x plus 3. So in place of x, here you don't write minus, just write it as a 2. When you are substituting f of x, just take it as a 2. As x tends to 2, substituting your x as 2. So 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 2 is a 4 plus 3 is 7. Now your RHL, limit f of x as x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means what? Greater than. Here greater than, what they have said, x greater than 2, our f of x is what? 2x minus 3. So in place of x, what it will be? 2x minus 3. And limit as x tends to, just 2 you do here. So in place of x, I am substituting 2. So 2 into 2 minus 3. 2 2 is a 4 minus 3 is 1. Here you can see our LHL and RHL, they are not equal. Therefore, f is not continuous at x is equal to 2. Our third case is what? When c is greater than 2. C is greater than 2, what is our f of x? 2x minus 3. The same 2x minus 3 is also a polynomial. So here also directly I will write my theorem part. Here f of x equal to 2x minus 3 is a polynomial function. If polynomial function, what it states? Since every polynomial function is continuous, f of x equal to 2x minus 3 is continuous for all c greater than 2. Whenever you have like this polynomial function, just directly write this statement. No need of going for limit and at that point. Whenever they have given like problems on the x they have given or mod x they have given, then you go for limit and all. Okay. Therefore, from case 1, 2 and 3, we observe that f is not continuous at c is equal to 2, right? Only at c is equal to 2, it is not continuous, whereas at c less than 2 and greater than 2, it is continuous. Therefore, the point c is equal to 2 is the only point of discontinuity of the given function. Please be careful in this problems. Thank you.